Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial. And in our tutorial today, we are going to learn how to connect your Shopify store to your YouTube. Now, why would you want to do that? You are able to make some conversions from people who visit your YouTube channel to also have access to some things that you also do on your Shopify store. So to do that, you simply come to your Shopify store, and there are different tutorials on how to create a Shopify store available in this YouTube channel. And the link to log into Shopify in case you don't have an account is available in the description of this video. So once you are logged in, you will come to the left hand side. Below here, you'll see apps. You will click on that. Add apps. You'll click on add apps. And then you'll come up here and click on apps and sales channel settings. So that will bring you to this page. So you notice we have develop apps and we have Shopify App Store. You click on Shopify App Store so that it will now open a new page where you have Shopify App Store, where you get the very best apps for your store. So up here, you'll type Google. Remember, we just want Google and YouTube. So you can type Google and YouTube, but you can also type Google and look for that. So Google and YouTube. So you notice we have a few things with Google and YouTube. So what you need is this Google and YouTube. And if you click on that, you need the one from Google Developer. That is for Google LLC. And here it is. It's free to install. So you will click on install. And as that is loading, you'll need to open your YouTube channel so that you notice here I'm already logged into my YouTube channel using Google. So remember, YouTube uses Google or Gmail, so you'll need to have your account already. So you'll come back here and you notice now we have Google and YouTube. So this app needs to have this access. You'll read all the details here, and then down here you'll click on add sales channel. So you notice all these details here. You can read and edit what you may need to add. So what this sales channel can access in your store, that is the YouTube channel that you are going to install, it can access your contact information, location, activity, and of course the store owner information such as your location and contact information, including your email address. So it can also view and sync discounts, and these include discount codes and promos. So that's what you can also do. And this can also help to view customers, which include your customers' browsing behavior. So now you will come down here and click on add sales channel down here. And with that, you will notice that now on the left hand side, you have Google and YouTube added here. So what we want to do is to connect it. You can pin this or unpin it, but I prefer you have it pinned here. So drive sales and reach more customers. With this Google and YouTube app, you can show your products on Google for free. Now you can imagine you have your products on Shopify, but they're also viewed now on Google for free. You can reach even more customers with ads, and you can manage your products directly through Shopify. So to continue, you click on connect Google account here. And now it will ask you which Google account you want to link. So I want to link this one. So you'll notice if I come to my YouTube page here, to my YouTube account, I can see all my details here. I can see the personal information. So I'll come back here and select. So I'll come back here and click on connect Google account and then select the account that I want to link. And so it will give you these details that this will allow Google channel by Shopify to do the following. And so you get all these details. So if you accept them, the details, you click on allow. And with that now, you notice now it's adding your account to your Shopify. And so you notice now set up Google and YouTube app. So you have all these details. You have 5 steps to complete your store requirements. So you notice we have all these details. So now to connect your account, you'll come to your Google account down here, add a valid payment method. You click on create an online store. So you click that, create an online store, and then you'll come here and give the homepage title. You'll give the homepage title here, enter the description to get a better ranking on search engines like Google. So you'll give the right description there for maybe what you do and all that. Then social sharing and image preview. You can upload an image here, and then you can paste your Google code from Google here. And then down here, you can also decide to set up Facebook, and then choose when marketing and analytics data is collected for customers from EEA and UK. You can decide it can be collected before consent, partially collected before consent, or collected after consent. You can change that to fit what you need. And then you have your password here, and then you have messages to your visitors here. And then after that, you simply click on save at the top there. Now I can set up the Google and YouTube for free. Here I can click on get started. Then I can add a refund policy now here. I can confirm that I've added contact information to the online store. So once I have done all these steps, then down here, I'll now click on connect a Google Merchant Center. So you can add a Google refund policy. You click on Google refund policy, then you notice it's here. You can send it on, then you put the policy here, and then you add all these details about your contact information. Then you click on create that. So once you have completed these steps, you can confirm also that you have added contact information to your store. You click on confirm that one you have done. Once all this is done, you will come down here and click on connect on this part, and then your Google, and so your YouTube will be connected to your Shopify store. And that is simply how you do it. You notice mine are grayed here because I've not added these personal details to my store. And that is how you simply connect your Shopify to YouTube. In case at a later day, you don't want this one connected anymore, you still come to this part for YouTube, and then at the top here, your Google account, you will click on disconnect. So if you click on that, you'll get this notification if you need to disconnect. So you'll click on disconnect, and with that, your account will be disconnected. So if you want to reconnect, again, you don't have to go through the whole process. You'll click on reconnect because your details are here. That is how you simply link your YouTube channel to your Shopify. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.